Using the midpoint formula, it is often useful to be able to find the midpoint of a segment. For example, if you have the endpoints of the diameter of a circle, you may want to find the center of the circle, which is the midpoint of the diameter. To find the midpoint of the line segment, we find the average of the x-coordinates and the average of the y-coordinates of the endpoints. So the midpoint formula states the following. The midpoint of the line segment whose endpoints are the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is the following. The first ordered pair is part of the order of the pair is x1 plus y2, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. To find the midpoint of a line segment, we find the average of the x-coordinates and the average of the y-coordinates of the endpoints. So for example number 4, we're going to use the midpoint formula to find the midpoint of the line segments whose endpoints are -5, -4, 7, and 2, and then we're going to plot the endpoints and the midpoint on a rectangular coordinate system. So again, we're going to use and write down the midpoint formula, and then we're going to plug in our points. So we can say that x1 represents -5, y1 represents -4, x2 represents 7, and y2 represents 2. So we have -5 plus 7, which gives you 2 divided by 2. And then we have -4 plus 2 over 2, which gives you -2 over 2. Well, 2 divided by 2 is +1. -2 divided by +2 is -1. So we can say that the midpoint of the segment is the point 1, -1. Now, if we plot those points, here are our points. We had -5 and -4, and then we had 7 and 2. And then when we plot the point 1, -1, you can see that that is the midpoint of those 2 points.